Namaste one and all. This is Jayashree Adhyapak, your host. Welcome to Veg Express with Jayashree. Today I'm in USA, Miami. So my husband's cousin's house. I'm really thrilled, excited. My husband's cousin's son is going to prepare a special dish. Let us see what it is and who is coming now. This is Akshay Bharti. Please welcome Akshay.
Hello everyone.
See, Akshay, what are you going to prepare?
I'm going to prepare DanDan Noodles.
DanDan Noodles. And please introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm Akshay Bharti. I like cooking a lot, global cuisine, everything. Many times from scratch, but many times as a pre-made off-the-shelf grocery items. So something quick that doesn't take much time.
Yes. So we are lucky to have Akshay here. So let us see what are all the ingredients required for the DanDan Noodles. Hello, this is Athiksh. He is going to say something for you. Hi Athiksh.
Hello, my name is Athiksh. I'm 13 years old. I'm in 8th grade, going to 9th grade. I've been living in the US for about 8 years now.
What is your favorite dish?
My favorite dish to cook is fettuccine alfredo.
Okay.
It's very simple, easy, and tastes awesome.
Okay.
One of the other things I've cooked are chocolate cakes. I've made ice cream. I've made lemon brulee. It's like a vanilla and lemon mix inside a lemon cover. And I've made a few other types of pastas.
Okay. We are really eager to see your cooking skills also, but today who is going to do the cooking?
Today my cousin brother Akshay Bharti is doing the cooking. He's going to cook DanDan Noodles for us.
Wow. So let us see. Let us go to Akshay then. Okay?
Yes.
Akshay, what are the ingredients required for the DanDan Noodles?
Yes, so for this is that one of those kinds of dish which if you have the right ingredients, it's easy to put together.
Okay.
So let us come here.
And
the main ingredient, the noodles, which I have brought pre-made from the Chinese store.
Okay.
There's this red peppers.
Okay.
Sichuan peppercorns they call them, which are not very hot, but they make your tongue
Do
numb.
we get this in India?
You can get it on Amazon.
Okay.
You may have to search a little bit, but it will be.
What is it called once again? Can you tell me?
It's called Sichuan peppercorns.
Okay.
And there's soy sauce.
Okay.
Any good quality soy sauce. There is aged or seasoned vinegar.
Okay.
There's toasted sesame oil.
Okay.
There's tahini, which is sesame seed paste.
Okay. All this will get it, na?
These will get, yes.
Okay.
There is this spicy chili crisp, chili oil, which is also available on Amazon. And this is the only ingredient that you may not get in India, which is soy crumbles.
Okay. Soya crumbles.
Yes.
Okay.
But it's from a particular brand, which is Impossible or Beyond. But you can substitute it with soy crumbles that you get in India or tofu.
Okay.
There's some sugar just for the sauce. And some veggies, ideally a cucumber and carrot for topping.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all you need.
That's all. So dearies, this is soya crumbles. Okay, don't mistake. Shall we, Akshay?
Yes. I have just put some water for boiling the noodles.
Okay.
And I have some here. I'm heating up more. And meanwhile, we will prepare the sauce. And I have a measure here, a tablespoon. So when you get your tahini, it might be separated like this. The oil has separated. You can just mix it in.
Okay.
With a spoon.
Can you show me that oil with?
That's the yellow oil. That's from the sesame seeds.
Okay. It's very healthy, na?
Yes.
Sesame and soya. The dish is going to be very healthy now.
Yes.
Because nowadays all are health conscious.
It has mixed thoroughly. And we're making around 7 servings today.
Okay.
For each serving, I'm going to use around 2 tablespoons of tahini. That's the sesame paste.
Okay.
So I will need 14 tablespoons here. Okay, to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons for each serving of soy sauce.
Okay.
That is 14 tablespoons.
Okay.
And I'm going to add around half a tablespoon of the vinegar for each serving. So I will need 7 tablespoons. And also all of these ingredients last a really long time.
Okay.
So the hardest part about this dish is actually getting the ingredients. Once you have them, you don't need to worry about anything. The chili oil.
Okay.
Chili crisp, which looks like this. This also you can make it at home. It's maybe a little bit longer process, but once you make it, you only have to make it once for every few months, so it's worth it. This thing I will add 1 tablespoon for each serving, depending on how spicy you want it. Do we want to make it spicy or less spicy today?
Today less spicy.
Okay. I will start with 1 tablespoon for each serving, and then whoever wants it more spicy can add more.
Okay.
And then I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar for every serving to balance the heat.
Okay.
And that is our sauce. We just have to mix it really well so that the sugar dissolves. Which looks like this.
Wow.
Okay. Now the next step is to toast and grind these Sichuan peppercorns, for which I will put them on this hot pan now.
Okay.
And just move them around so that they don't get burnt on any one side
Okay.
And it starts to release some smoke and oil, and you'll start to smell it. That's when you know it's toasted.
Wow, a good smell aroma is coming now. Okay, it's done.
Yes, I will put all of that in this mortar and pestle.
Okay.
And I will grind that, but meanwhile I will also pan fry this soy crumbles.
Okay.
Just a little bit of oil so that nothing sticks. Now break it up into small pieces. So as that is cooking, we will grind these pepper.
Oh.
If you're using tofu, you can just stir fry, break it apart, make it into small pieces, and add your favorite sauce and stir fry it with it.
What is your favorite subject, Athiksh? My favorite subject is biology.
Biology. Wow.
Why?
Because I like learning about genetics mostly. It's my future, like what I want to be in the future is technically molecular genetics.
So Athiksh wants to become scientist.
Yeah.
Yeah, Athiksh scientist ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ. All the best, Athiksh.
Thank you.
So wishes and blessings for you.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
Yes, so the soy is cooked.
Okay.
And there is water boiling for the noodles. So I will add the noodles to the boiling water. And you should have a lot of water boiling so that the noodles don't stick to each other, and the water should be much hot, very boiling, violently boiling.
Have you added any oil for that water or only
Nothing,
water?
just plain water. And I'll start a timer. within 3 minutes.
Okay.
And meanwhile, I will cut some vegetables. So something like this size.
Okay.
So that it's easy to top on your noodles and easy to eat. No big pieces. You can get just the right amount in your bite.
Yes.
Same thing for the cucumber.
Okay. Yes, Akshay.
Okay, now it's time to serve.
Okay.
Assemble everything.
Okay.
I will put some noodles.
Wow.
Just plain noodles.
This is Aniketh Bharti.
Hi.
Aniket Bharti, can you please tell one quote, motivational quote for today?
Remember that hard work is a choice, attitude is a choice, discipline is a choice, excellence is a choice, and doing extra is a choice. And there are no shortcuts for success, and you must always work for it.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you, Aniket. Okay, yummy. And the noodles aroma, na? It's coming like anything. Oh, wow. So sweet.
Add just a little bit of the soy powder.
Okay. What is that, Akshay?
It's round citron peppercorns. That
Okay,
we
yeah, that we had grinded. No?
This is, just a little bit.
Okay.
It makes your tongue very numb.
Huh.
Oh, yeah, I remember this.
And just add some veggies to the side.
So it will be there up only, right?
Yes.
Interesting for the garnishing.
Yes.
Yes. Wow, it looks nice.
Then mix it now.
Noodles with salad. Yes.
No cheese in Chinese. Yes, that's ready.
Wow. It's yummy, right? Beautiful.
One last touch.
Yes, yes. Something is missing. Yes.
Sesame oil.
Okay.
Yes,
Soy
that's
sauce?
for flavor. No, soy. That's already in the sauce. But if you feel like you need more, you can tell me.
Hmm.
First try?
Yes. He is not able to speak.
I'm speechless.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and finish this.
See, he has taken the ball. And next ball is for Athiksh. Thank you very much, Akshay,
Of course, yes.
for the really, for us, it is a very new recipe, and hope to see many more from you. We want to learn many more. Thank you for this.
Thank you for featuring me and good luck with everything. Good luck for your channel.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you so much. Yes, dear. Today, Akshay is going to showcase his one more talent. Let us see that. Tan-tan! This is Akshay. He's going to play guitar. Akshay, please.
Yes. Sunlight bright upon my pillow, lighter than my moonshine and the weeping willow, behind his brow
Thank you so much, Akshay.
Thank you.
Namaste, everyone. So, this is Aniketh who wants to play guitar, and let us see which song you are going to play, Aniketh.
So today I'm playing A Horse with No Name by America.
Okay.
It's a country song.
Okay.
But I don't have practice like singing out the lyrics while playing it, so I'm just gonna play it.
Oh, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, go for it. Yeah, go for it.
Another one.
Namaste, everyone. Today, Aniketh is going to present a small bit from guitar. Let us see. Hi, Aniketh.
Hi. Today I'm playing Biggie Biggie by Pritam from the movie Gangster.
Okay.
So here goes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Aniketh, for showcasing your special talent on guitar. Thank you.